How do you fix the EQ on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. Well, it depends on what you mean specifically, but EQ is for the equalizer. It's like the abbreviation of that, and it can be changed and managed in different places. So at first, go to the settings app of the iPhone, and at the bottom of the list, there is the apps section for every individual application that has its own menu there, and you can pick the music right away and choose from the options which show up, and one of them is the EQ, which is equalizer specifically for the Apple Music, and it can be turned off, or you can pick one of those options. So you can perhaps make the acoustics more pop up inside of the music, or you can increase bass or even decrease it by clicking on the reduce option and choose like a different style so you can listen to the music in a better way. So that is for the different styles, but all within the Apple Music application. On the other hand, you can also explore it in a different like app or streaming services. For example, in Spotify, a lot of people use that. You can as well just go to your settings, like to go into your profile section and tap on the settings, and you can tap on the playback, and there is going to be the equalizer as well. So it looks a bit different here. You have like more options. You can just grab the like points and play with that, but yeah, or choose a specific style the same way as in the Apple Music. So if that is the thing that you had in mind, you can find it for your favorite streaming service right there. Obviously, there are more places or more apps where you can tweak it, like there are dedicated equalizer apps on the App Store if you want to specifically play with your own like MP3 files or whatever, but this is for the music that you are consuming or listening to. So let me know if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up if it worked. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.